Hello students, I hope you all are well and fine at your home. So welcome to all of you again in MAM की chemistry classes. In previous video, बच्चों we will discuss about the alkene, alkane and alkyne. Now in this video we will discuss about homologous series and functional group. Okay, so what is homologous series? This is a series of a similar organic compound which have same molecular formula and same chemical properties, but all are differ by one another by one CH2 group. Look at here, one CH2 group. How? Let us start from the alkanes. Okay. So first example, if we write, this is methane. Now secondly, C2H6, this is ethane. C3H8, this is propane, and so on and so on and so on. It will be continued. If you add one carbon, again new compound will form. If you again add one carbon, again new compound will be formed. Okay. So C4H10. I am taking few examples of alkanes. Everybody know what is the general formula of this alkane. Means it is CnH2n plus 2. Okay. Now see. This is methane and this is ethane. What is the difference here? Both are hydrocarbon and similar hydrocarbon. Means both all are belong from alkanes. Okay. Now see what is the difference between here. So how many carbons are different here? One carbon. How many hydrogens are different here? See, 4 and 6. 2 hydrogen. It means that both compound differ by one CH2 group. Clear? Now see, if we take other example, means if we take the example of this ethane and propane, again, both differ by one carbon, look at here, and differ by 2 hydrogen. So, this is the condition of alkanes. Similarly, if you see all the adjacent compound, so adjacent carbon, all adjacent carbon in every same compound which have same molecular formula are differ by CH2 group, right? This is the example of alkanes. Now see, this is the CH2 group, and if we take the molecular mass, so carbon have 12 molecular mass and hydrogen have 1 molecular mass, so there are 2 hydrogen, so it have 2. Now what is the molecular mass? 14. So we can say that homologous series are differ by one CH2 group and how many molecular mass here? 12 by 14 molecular mass. Clear? Now if we take another example, suppose we take the example of alkenes. Alkenes general formula CnH2n. As you know everybody, I think everybody know very well. So let us start. C2H4. Ethene, first hydrocarbon alkene. First alkene hydrocarbon having 2 carbons. Okay. C3H6. C4H8. Right? So see, look here, as usual, both adjacent compound. Both are different by 1 carbon, and how many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogens. So this is the compound which differ by one CH2 group. So this is the conclusion that every group of organic compound with the same general formula, that compound has same general formula. Means what is this? This is the general formula. Okay. Then this is known as, and they are differ by one CH2 group, then it is known as homologous series. Now see, what I explained in previous video, that all alkanes give similar type of reaction, means that is substitution reaction. So all alkanes, if you take example of methane, ethane, propane, all give substitution reaction. Okay, because all are saturate hydrocarbon having the same molecular general formula CnH2n and plus 2. Similarly, alkenes all give addition reaction. Alkynes also give addition reaction because they are both are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Right? Now, if everybody know that all the valency of carbon, in the case of saturated hydrocarbon, valency of carbon is satisfied by hydrogen, either hydrogen or any other group or group of atoms. Clear? Or it may be possible that by the other carbon atom also. Clear? Like this. Carbon, carbon. This is. Satisfied. There is no any function. There is no any atoms. It means here hydrogen. Explain. I explained earlier. I explained. Now this is. It may be C, 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 C. So it is increases. Carbon, 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 carbon. It is increases continuously and less. Okay. And what is this? Catenation. Understood? This is catenation property. So it shown by carbon. This is the best catenation property shown by the carbon atom. So what happened here? If any valency of carbon, suppose this is methane, and if methane, if one hydrogen replaced by any other group, OH, suppose this is OH, alcoholic group, functional group, this is known as alcohol, right? This is functional group. I will explain later what is functional group. Now, functional group. If we take another alkanes, C, OH, all are hydrogen. Don't forget, if there is no any group, so it means that hydrogen. Clear? So I am writing here hydrogen, but just you clear all of it. Now, this is alcohol. It also contains alcohol. What is the general formula? So general formula of alkane was CnH2n plus 2. What is the general formula? This alcohol, it will be CnH2n plus 1 OH. Now count it. N is number of carbon. In this case, how many carbon? 1. C1. H2n. Add 2 into 1 plus 1 OH. 2 into n plus 1. कितना हो गया? C1H3 और OH. Now see, C1, 1, H3, 1, 2, 3 and OH. This is the general formula of alcohol, right? So this is methanol, this is ethanol. I will explain later what is functional group. Now in this case I am explaining only about the homologous series. So all are same, having same compound, so they show same chemical properties. Okay. Now you can take any other example also. Now see. Now next topic is what is functional group. What is functional group? So I will explain. I am going to explain about the functional group. So children, when you are going to your school, all are in the same uniform, and in the same classes when you sit, all are in same uniform. Okay. So nobody cannot know that which is best in singing, which student best in writing, good writing, which student have good dancing capacity. This is the basic difference, but nobody knows. Teachers don't know that, does not know that how which students are best in which category. Okay. Now what happened? कहने का मतलब है कि अगर बच्चे क्लास में प्रॉपर यूनिफॉर्म में बैठे हैं तो हम लोग को ये नहीं पता चलेगा कि कौन सा बच्चा किस चीज में एक्सपर्ट है. कुछ बच्चे फाइटिंग में भी एक्सपर्ट हो जाते हैं, है ना. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, अगर वो अपने इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स को, बच्चों ध्यान से मेरी बात को समझो, मैं आपको फंक्शनल ग्रुप के बारे में बता रहे हैं. अगर वो अपने इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स को साथ में लेके बैठेंगे क्लास में, मतलब कोई बच्चा पियानो लेके, हारमोनियम लेके, बांसुरी लेके बैठा, कोई बच्चा लेटर पैड लेके बैठा राइटिंग कंपटीशन के लिए, कोई बच्चा कोई बजाने वाला इंस्ट्रूमेंट लेके बैठा, तबला वगैरह, तो ये क्लियर हो जाएगा. या ग्रुप में डिवाइड कर दे कि डांस वाले बच्चे अलग हैं, तो हम लोग दूर से देख के बता सकते हैं कि हाँ वो ग्रुप में बच्चे डांस कर सकते हैं, उस ग्रुप के बच्चे गाना अच्छा गा सकते हैं. ठीक है. मीन्स वो जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट लेके बैठे हैं वो उनकी प्रॉपर्टी को डिसाइड कर रहा है. आ रही मेरी बात समझ में? जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट लेके बैठे हैं वो उनकी प्रॉपर्टी को डिसाइड कर रहा है. इसका मतलब कि वो मेन है जो पूरे ग्रुप की प्रॉपर्टी को डिसाइड कर रहा है, तो उसे क्या बोलेंगे? फंक्शनल ग्रुप. उसी तरीके से जब हम यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड में डिस्कस करेंगे तो It is an atom or group of atom. What is functional group? It is an atom or group of atom that define the structure of organic compound. It should be underlined that define the structure of organic compound, that explain about the organic compound. Similar, as you know that simple, this is methane, simple hydrocarbon, undergo addition reaction, CnH2 plus 2 is the general formula. But if there is one group hydrogen replaced by one alcohol, one OH group, then compound property become changed. This is more poisonous. This is methyl alcohol, more poisonous. So this is responsible for the properties of this hydrocarbon now. So this is known as functional group. So it may be atoms. This is the example of atoms. This is halogen. It may be chlorine, bromine, iodine or fluorine. So what is the functional group? It is an atom. This is atom. Or group of atom. This is the group of atom. More than two atoms are there, so that we can say the group of atom. So these are the group of atom that decide the properties of that compound is known as functional group. I think it is clear to all of you. Now I am writing it some name of some functional group. So this is functional group. I am going to rub it. I think it is clear to all of you what is functional group. So now see, halide, X. X is known as halide. So halogens are generally represented by X. Okay, जहाँ पे X है means वहाँ पे halogen है. It may be fluorine, it may be chlorine, it may be bromine or it may be iodine. This is X. So what is the general formula? तो X जो है general formula is RX. Now see, what is R here? R is alkyl group. This is alkyl group. I think you are not aware from this name, so I am going to explain this. What is alkyl group? So first let me just see what is alkyl group, then I will explain again. Okay. Now alkyl group, what is alkyl group? तो देखो alkyl group क्या होता है, आप हेडिंग डालोगे alkyl group. Okay. Now see, alkane minus one hydrogen, the coming compound that is known as alkyl group. किसी भी alkane में से one hydrogen हटाना है. एग्जाम्पल देखिए, alkane लिया, पहला alkane ले लिया CH4, पहला alkane क्या ले लिया CH4, one hydrogen माइनस कर दीजिए, क्या मिलेगा? This is CH3. So this is alkane, means which alkane here? This is methane. So alkane form alkyl, so methane form methyl. Which alkyl here? Methyl. So this is known as methyl. Okay. Similarly, when we take ethane, C2H6 minus one hydrogen, then it gives C2H5. So this is ethane, so it becomes ethyl. Clear? Similarly, propane, it gives propyl, butane gives butyl, and so on. Right? So come to the point. This is all about the alkyl group. I think now you are aware from this word. Now see, RX, the formula of haloalkanes is RX. What is our alkyl group? So it may be CH3. अब X की जगह पे अगर हम इसको सिर्फ X लेंगे तो इसको क्या बोलेंगे? RX को क्या बोला गया? हेलोएल्केन. R हेलो, X को हेलो और ये दे दिया है एल्केन. तो ये जो है ये इसका IUPAC नेम होगा. अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आई विल एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द IUPAC नेम. ओके, फिर आपको कोई कंफ्यूजन, कोई डाउट्स नहीं रहेंगे. एक बार जब आप IUPAC पढ़ लोगे, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में IUPAC नेम का ही बनाऊंगी. राइट? नाउ सी, तो आई थिंक यू आर अवेयर फ्रॉम दिस. IUPAC में वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट ऑल टाइप ऑफ फंक्शनल ग्रुप and their nomenclature, their suffix, their prefix, what is suffix, what is prefix, everything. So wait for my next video and you must watch that video. Okay. Now see, hydroxyl group. So what is the hydroxyl group? OH, ये OH जो है वो हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप होता है, क्लियर। और इसको रिप्रेजेंट कैसे करते हैं, ROH से। बच्चों एक ध्यान दो, यहाँ मैंने बॉन्ड लगाया है, ये माइनस नहीं है, ये बॉन्ड है, अकेले OH नहीं रहेगा ऐसे। यहाँ पे बॉन्ड जो लगा था तो ये बॉन्ड यहाँ है और यहाँ पे कोई भी एल्काइल ग्रुप अटैच हो जाएगा। तो ये क्या बना दिया, ROH। इनको नाम क्या देते हैं, अल्कोहल। बहुत से फंक्शनल ग्रुप हैं, जब हम IUPAC डिस्कस करेंगे तो सारे फंक्शनल ग्रुप को एक बार लाइन से हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। यहाँ सिर्फ आपको फंक्शनल ग्रुप बताना था तो मैंने कुछ एग्जांपल्स यहाँ पर लिए हैं। नेक्स्ट है एल्डिहाइड। अब देखिए यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आप लोग को नोट कर लीजिएगा कैसे कैसे लिखते हैं। तो व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट फंक्शनल ग्रुप, एल्डिहाइड। ओनली आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग द फंक्शनल ग्रुप, डोंट वरी। ओके, नाउ सी आर फंक्शनल ग्रुप एल्डिहाइड क्या होता है, CHO। इसको और कैसे लिख सकते हैं, ध्यान देखना। इसको लिख सकते हैं C डबल बॉन्ड OH, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं। आपकी बुक में ऐसे भी लिखा होता है, आप कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो, ये और ऐसे H। अगर यहाँ पे R लग गया तो R और ये R। तो देखो ये तीनों क्या है, CHO है, ठीक है। ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप है। आपको कभी कभी एग्जाम में सर्किल करने को आता है कि सर्किल द फंक्शनल ग्रुप इन द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड, तो आप फंक्शनल ग्रुप को ऐसे सर्किल करोगे, ये आपका फंक्शनल ग्रुप है, ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप है, ठीक है। दैट इज नोन एज CHO, दैट इज नोन एज एल्डिहाइड। दिस इज एल्डिहाइड। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड। व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट, दिस इज R। कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय COOH and this is bond to satisfy the valency of carbon C। यहाँ पे कार्बन ये हो गया, एक यहाँ पे बॉन्ड हो गया, डबल बॉन्ड और ये सिंगल बॉन्ड OH, 1 2 3 4। सो दिस इज 1 2 2 3 और ये OH यहाँ पे अटैच है, ठीक है। यहाँ भी बॉन्डिंग होगी, ये ध्यान रखिएगा, क्लियर। इसको ऐसे भी रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, यहाँ पे R लगा देंगे, एल्काइल ग्रुप, तो ये सिंपल हाइड्रोकार्बन का डेरिवेटिव हो गया, दैट इज कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड। क्या नाम देते हैं इसको, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड नाम देते हैं, ठीक है। तो दिस इज फ्यू फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। माय पर्पस वाज टू एक्सप्लेन फंक्शनल ग्रुप। तो मैंने आपको फंक्शनल ग्रुप और होमोलॉगस सीरीज के बारे में इस वीडियो में एक्सप्लेन किया। नेक्स्ट वीडियो जल्दी आएगा और वो किसके ऊपर रहेगा, IUPAC नेम के ऊपर रहेगा। सो वेट फॉर माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो, ओके। एंड आई होप यू ऑल आर पढ़ोगे इसको अच्छे से, ओके। नाउ हैव अ नाइस डे, गुड डे एवरीवन।